Alright, hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this shortcut key, how to restore any file you copied to another folder mistakenly back to the original folder. So I have these two files here. I have this folder, this empty folder. This is the file williamsec mp4. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to open this folder, right click and open it. As you can see, it's not open. Okay, let me shorten it for you. So I will use I will right click and cut this file, then I will paste it here on this folder. I will use the paste button. Okay, so now you see the file is here. So for me to restore this file back to the original folder, I will use Ctrl Z and X. Okay, you can see the file is now back to the desktop. Let me do it again. I will copy it. I will move it to this directory again. I will use my screen keyboard this time now to show you this demo. Then I will use a I will use a Ctrl Z and X. You see the file is now back to the original folder. Okay, so this is it for this video. If today is the first time coming to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Well done.